Welcome to today's IVG Market Blast. I'm Brad Alexander, and today we will take a look at Forex trading on dollar CAD, gold, WTI crude oil, the S&P 500, and the US dollar index. Just a reminder that these videos are only an observation of current market conditions, and these are not to be considered as trading advice. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep up to date. We see the US dollar index above 100 for the first time in almost a year. So what is making USD so strong? Firstly, the sell-off in US equities is driving investors to US dollar as they liquidate their positions, and we can see that in today's S&P 500 chart. We call this safe haven demand. Also, we will keep an eye on all the indices as many are approaching death cross status. Secondly, anyone buying Brent crude at very high prices these days has to exchange a lot more of their own currency into US dollars, which is creating US dollar demand. Thirdly, the US Federal Reserve is not keen on lowering interest rates anymore, and we will be watching this week's economic news, especially the non-farm payrolls. Fourthly, as just mentioned, US data may not be great, but it is still far better than other economies like Europe and China, which makes the US dollar relatively stronger. Also, we have a big yield differential between US T-bills and most other major economies' bonds, which attracts capital to the United States Treasury. And finally, many large funds are increasing their US dollar exposure, assuming everything I just mentioned and a higher US dollar. So, the stronger US dollar has been driving gold lower, but this week we see a pullback into this ascending triangle with mixed technicals. Despite the high cost of oil, dollar CAD is showing Canadian dollar weakness and US dollar strength. We see price action at a key level with our stochastic oscillator very overbought and turning over. Again, watch the economic news this week, including Canadian GDP today. That's all for now. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.